This is the Earth Intelligence Report for July of 2019. This edition of the Earth Intelligence Report is done by a trance-induced telepathic transmission between myself as the conduit for the spirit of the Earth/Earth Collective Intelligence and has been transcribed from its original recording. The following is expressed through the mind of the Earth's Spirit Intelligence. During this month of July, upon your world is the beginning of cleansing. The cleansing shall involve the exposure of agendas that have reaped the bonds of illusionary power. Each of you will see the exposure unfold as the shadows of man reach the climax of an empire reaching its final fall. There shall be promises which will not be kept. There shall be promises that state the deliverance of change. These changes only suffice to elect and nothing more. To be the civilization that works in tandem with your planet, the arrangement of your leadership must change dramatically. For the affairs taking place now are only capable of providing agendas that do not meet the wishes or intentions of the people that your governments have stated that they serve. In order to benefit from these ongoing endeavors of illumination that is brightening your world, allow exposure in its simplicity to deliver the energies of change that will benefit your people. The oceans of your planet will go through shifts and shall reveal the life in a larger capacity as you realize the ideas to explore and inhabit oceans technologically. This will not be immediate, but it will be a contriving of work suggested by your scientists. You will see the greater capacity to oceanic life as humankind spends more time throughout the vastness of the oceans. For you are reaching different boundaries beyond your solid land inhabiting. When you embark upon the journey through your oceans, there shall be the devising of plans to create these habitats and work in cooperation to the purifying of the oceans and the oceanic life that dwells there that will cooperate with mankind upon this endeavor. Do not forget that your world hosts over 7.5 billion of you. Should you only observe the earth by the boundaries of nations, you limit your potential to coexist on a grander scale. Know all humanity that exists upon lands far from you. Arrange cooperation with all upon other lands. This will bring improvement to your planet. Not to indulge in the governmental factors of worldwide cooperation, but through the natural connection you all hold as a civilization. For when you do this, you allow the light to come within you stronger. It is the time for the masses of your world to unite. Do not place so much faith in your political arenas. This will create stagnancy. This will create delay. It is the duty of mankind to work as one with Mother Earth. There is an enrichment of opportunities that await you all to see what exists beyond your common conjectures. For if you walk this path, a greater revealing will take place that will help you to understand your bonds within, above, and beyond the earth. It simply requires unity consciousness for this next boundary to become available to you. We conclude at this time for your Earth Intelligence Report. Our love and our hearts are with all of you. Blessings.